This is where I'm at, YouTube, with this, with my second motor, my second teardown. This motor right here, it seemed like it probably would be a good thing, or it might be the I don't know if I should say the best thing to do is probably take take the pistons and the rods and stuff out of it and just send it off to the machine shop and let them clean it up. But because it got so much rust in these walls in here, because it's been sitting and water got in it. But it don't look bad. It's turning over. It's a 5.3. I am happy for that it's a 5.3, but I don't know what was the issue with this motor. If it was kind of looked like it was overheating, maybe, I don't know. But the pistons look pretty good. They're not in bad shape. The cylinder walls look pretty good. On this side, it was dry. It had a little bit of water in it, not much. But this side, these two cylinders, this one and this one, was pretty full with water. These hardly had any water in it. This one was at the top, so they had none in there. But otherwise from that, it looked a little more oily on this side. I think some oil might have washed down in there with the water or something. But otherwise from that, I really don't see much right now. But I took one of the lifters out, and it looked a little, the surface of the bearings on the piston, the lifter, look a little chipped up. So I don't know, maybe something got in there or something, I don't know. But I'm gonna see what's gonna happen with it, what decision I'm gonna come to. So we figure it all out. If I don't send this to the machine shop, I'm gonna have to wet it up real good, clean out in the walls in there, get most of that rust out as I can, and then lube it up real good and probably change the cam, which I want to do anyway, and change the lifters in it. I think I'll probably be okay. I don't know how good I don't think anything is wrong with the pistons and the rings, but but we'll see. We see you too. All right.